Just Kiddos! Back with another video. Today we're gonna be making Starburst slime. Yay!
Yay! So here are all our ingredients right here. We got our Starburst. This is the bowl that we're gonna be melting it in. And we got some non-GMO cornstarch. Yeah! And then I got a little mixing spoon that I'm going to be helping stir it around in. So, are y'all ready to make some Starburst slime, kiddos?
Yeah!
All right, kiddos, and we're bringing y'all along with us. So,
start watching. Hit that like button.
all right, y'all, so I have it in this microwave safe bowl, or this heat safe bowl. Ooh, it's melting, it's melting,
Ooh, it's melting.
So it's starting to melt, and we just put a little bit of every color up in there. We was gonna go with just pink and red, but
whoa, it's melting.
It's melting. What a world, what a world.
But I can't put you too close, so hopefully you can see it.
Kids, if y'all decide to do this with a parent's help, because this slime is really, really hot, okay? I'm supposed to be holding that. So I'm just gonna keep like mixing it around until it melts. I was gonna put it in the microwave, but I didn't want it to burn, so I've seen a couple videos where they put it in the microwave. And it worked, but...
Hello.
Okay, so after like about 10 minutes, I added a few more Starbursts. So you can see it has like a little bit of a rainbow effect. Can you see what it looks like? My hand is all in the way, but that's what it's looking like.
Mom.
So I think it is pretty much done.
Mom.
All right, so that is the Starburst slime. So we're gonna move it over back to the table and knead it together with a little bit of cornstarch. All right, all right, y'all, so we're done. I got the cornstarch, splattered it everywhere. Well, not for real. All right, so I'm gonna just sprinkle it in there and then stir it up. I'm not gonna touch it because it's super duper hot. So I'm gonna put all right, and now we're just, you can't do it as hot, baby. Do y'all see that?
You see that slime?
Oh. This is a lot of candy. I should have just did the whole bag. I wonder, can you do this with Skittles? What y'all think? Y'all think y'all can do it with Skittles too?
Yes. Just push it up there. Skittles. I think you look great with Skittles.
Skittle slime.
That would be great.
Oh, like, it looks really cute, but it's super duper pink. I was hoping that it wouldn't be so pink with the yellow and orange in there, but yeah. So this is what the slime looks like. Oh, wow. And heating it like that, it just brings out so many smells. It's all lemony and strawberry. So many smells, and it smells amazing. Remember, kids, if you want to do this, have a parent help you, because it's really, really hot, okay? And I don't want the kiddos fam getting burned, okay?
Kiddos fam. Look at that. You look like side. Look like, what if this was stuff that's inside that squishy strawberry? This is strawberry? This is strawberry. This ain't no strawberry. This is strawberry.
She just repeating what you said. All right, so now I'm going to try to do it with my hands. I got to get all of this out of here because it's sticking to the bowl, and I want to make sure I get every little bit of Starburst slime that I can. So this is the slime. This is the slime. Well, looks like I'm gonna be eating this myself. The kids will not be getting any. Oh, that is so good.
Mommy, Dad.
Oh wow.
Mommy, Dad.
Okay.
Right there.
It's just really good, guys. Here, Taylor. Here you go.
That was like big. Thank you. Alright.
It's so good.
Smells so good.
It's super good.
This is good slime.
I'm put a thumbs up.
Ooh, it's sweet.
Thumbs up for it.
Thumbs up if you like Starburst.
Thumbs up, like this video, give us like 100 likes, comment down below, subscribe, hit that bell. See you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.
So good. So good. Yeah, this now is so good. Got a lot of flavor. Ask your parents, can you try it? Because it's good.